Query successful. Try again without apps. Ready to finally get a grip on your finances, but feeling overwhelmed by the thought of setting up another budgeting app? You're not alone. We've all been there. You want the savings, the subscription cancellations, and the clear spending insights, but you don't want the headache of a complicated setup. That's where Rocket Money comes in, and this video is your simple, step-by-step guide to setting up your account from absolute scratch in just a few minutes. Let's make financial clarity easy. First thing, download the Rocket Money app. It's available on both the App Store and Google Play. Once the app is installed, open it up. You'll be prompted to sign up. You can choose to use your email or sign in quickly with Google or Apple. For a quick start, let's use an email. Enter your email and choose a secure password. Make sure it's one you haven't used before. We're protecting your money, after all. Next, Rocket Money will ask you a few quick questions to get the initial context. They'll ask for things like your financial goals, maybe it's save more or pay off debt. Just select what fits your situation best. This helps the app tailor its insights for you. Now for the crucial step, linking your financial accounts. Rocket Money needs to see your transactions to work its magic. Click the button to link your bank. You'll be asked to search for your bank or credit union. Once you find it, you'll be securely prompted to enter the same login credentials you use for your bank's online portal. This is a totally safe process handled by a secure third-party provider, and it's what allows Rocket Money to automatically pull in your transactions and account balances. Go ahead and link your checking accounts, savings, and credit cards. The more you link, the better picture the app can build of your complete financial life. After linking, Rocket Money gets to work. It will take a minute or two for your transaction data to populate. This is the moment of truth. Once the data is loaded, the app will immediately guide you through its core features. You'll first see your dashboard, where you can get a quick overview. Then, head to the Subscriptions tab. This is often the biggest eye-opener. Rocket Money automatically identifies all your recurring bills and subscriptions, even the forgotten ones. Take a moment to review this list. This is where you can easily hit cancel on anything you no longer need. Finally, take a look at the spending section. Rocket Money categorizes all your transactions, giving you a clear visual of where your money is actually going. This is the foundation for creating your first budget or setting those spending goals you mentioned earlier. That's it. Your Rocket Money account is set up, your accounts are linked, and the app is already hunting down wasteful spending. You've now taken the most important step toward financial automation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.